Thibitari uyu wa Nyahururu ni umwe wa thibitari iria itungataga arwaru aingi muno mwena uyu, undu uria ukoretwo ugicungereria thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia hamwe na thirikari nene guthugunda njira itiganite cia gukinyaniria utungata mwega kuri arwaru. Omothe thibitari uyu ni wamukirire mitambo na macini cia guthondeka riera ria oxygen, tabarira iria itambitio nginyagia thibitari-ini wa Rumuruti, na kuringana na ndagitari Tom Enga, murugamiriri munene wa motungata ma kiriu ministry-ini ya ugima wa muingi, augite tabarira ici itareirwo ciringi mirioni 120.
The project is going on well. We've also been able to provide through the various implementing partners, the gadgets that could be able to help us in oxygen delivery. And therefore we are proud that in Laikipia County, we've been able to supply more than 300 oxygen cylinders. We'll also be able to institute a few PSA plants through AMREF and also other partners. And I believe that with these efforts, we have gone a long way in ensuring that the oxygen needs for patients in this county is well met. Thank you.
Enga taririe na kuga marongoreirie gukinyaniria tabarira ino ya utambi wa riera ria oxygen kuri thibitari makiria ma 250 guothe bururi-ini nigetha kugacirithia utungata wa muingi thibitari-ini. Uga wake ukinyitwo mbaru ni Angela Daga kuma gikundi-ini kia AMREF.
First and foremost is to thank the Global Fund. They are funders of this project. Taking note that we have had a groundbreaking session in Rumuruti. Rumuruti is one of the 22 oxygen generating plants that have been ably funded by the Global Fund. Here we have a liquid oxygen tank, 3 tons in capacity, again also funded by the Global Fund.
Governor wa Laikipia Joshua Irogo ni atugirite tabarira ino akiuga marakoretwo magomeirwo ni unyihu wa riera ria oxygen thibitari-ini itiganite na gucungereria arwaru gutumwo thibitari-ini ingi, ende riu ni makuhota gwithondekera riera riganu.
Twahingura oxygen itu iria iko igiteithiriria thibitari citu na nigetha tutikanae kugia na ihinda ona rimwe ati kuri mundu ona omwe witu ugakorwo ati ni agutwika wa gukua kana guthinika ni tondu wa kwaga oxygen, akirutwo kuma thibitari ino agitwarwo thibitari iria ingi, na kwa muthenya umuthi ni muthenya munene muno hari andu aitu a Laikipia County, na makiria ni tondu wa nginya plant ire twahingura ya guthondeka oxygen kuria Rumuruti.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa WIRA.